I got this board from Hobby Lobby. It's 31 inches by 12 inches, and I found it in the Spring Shop collection. It was originally $19.99, but that collection is 40% off, so I did get it 40% off with no coupon needed. And I'm just going to take my painter's tape and I'm going to go around the frame of the board. Now this has the engraved ice cream cones. I'm going to take my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint and cover the entire board. I want to give good coverage. And once I have that fully covered, I'm going to allow it to dry. Next, I'm going to take a small art brush and I'm going to use some Wise Owl paint. This color is called 1987. And I'm going to use it for my ice cream cones. And I'm going to do all of the cones the same color. And the engraved areas help me keep my paint inside the cone here. Next, I have some Salt Wash. Salt Wash is a powder paint additive and it will help create a weathered look on pretty much any surface. And it just helps give some texture. So I'm going to take the paint colors of my choice and put a little on a plate, and then I'm just going to mix the Salt Wash powder in with the paint. Now they do have certain measurements if you want to do a larger project and properly mix it, but since I'm using such a small amount, I'm really just eyeballing it and adding the powder to the paint and just giving it some thickness. So once I'm happy with the consistency, I have another art brush and I'm just going to dab it into the areas of the ice cream. Now I'm going to be using many different colors. You can certainly pick any colors of your choice. This first color here is the Higgins Lake. And I'm just dabbing on the wood. Now Salt Wash has no VOCs. And it's actually made with real sea salt, and it has also organic compounds. And then I'm going to do the top portion, and I'm really just designing the ice cream to be different flavors with some of these fun colors. You certainly do not need the Salt Wash. I just liked how it gave the added texture, and it just gave it a little more character than just painting the board. Now the Salt Wash can be mixed in any type of paint such as latex, oil. You can use it with milk paint, acrylic paints, and then of course the chalk synthesis paint. Now this color is the dried thyme. And the other cone was black cherry. And then I'm just adding the black cherry to the cherry on top as well. And again, we're just creating and having fun with the colors. You can make them resemble a certain ice cream that is your favorite, or you can really just pick any colors that you like that go together. And also the Salt Wash can be used on many different surfaces. You can use it on wood, laminate, glass, fabric, and even plastic. And we have used this on many of our different projects. We like using it for our raised stencils as well. And a lot of people use this to give that faux finish look that resembles cement or a rusty, weathered look. So lastly, I'm just mixing a little bit of the Salt Wash and some of the Snow Owl so I can add it to the center part of the ice cream here with the added texture. And then you want this to dry for several hours. And as you can see, you have the raised texture within the ice cream. Next, I have some spray paint and wood letters. I picked the word summer. I'm going to remove my painter's tape and using some of my general finishes antique walnut gel stain in a paper towel. I'm just going to lightly go around the trim of the board. I just wanted the frame to be the stained color. So you just rub it on and rub it in. And as you rub, the stain will lighten up. And then I'm going to take my wood letters that I spray painted black, and I'm going to put a letter in each cone. I'm just going to use some hot glue to adhere it. You can also use the wood glue. And again, you can pick any word of your choice. You can make this an ice cream stand sign, whatever fits your decor. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, salt wash, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.